Hi, good evening. Since a lot of you all know me that I'm an anti-corruption activist, I also am into financial intelligence and financial investigations. I go for root cause analysis of these scams. Some of the scams that I broke out: the Punjab National Bank scam, the PMC Bank, the Yes Bank, the Diwan House scam, the Axis Bank raids during demonetization, a lot of Aam Aadmi Party scams. So one of the scams that I'm here to talk about today is the Ryan investigation. A couple of years back, a small child was murdered in the Ryan school. I want to thank Times Now once again, Times Now, thank you for helping me at that time to bring out the Ryan scam. CNN, IBN also did their part. When we did when we did the investigation on the Ryan investigation, I took it to the chairman, Sri Sushil Chandra of the CBDT. He went through it. He sent me to Bombay. I met the DG, handed over the investigation. Sadly, now that there's another murder of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, while investigating him, his money, surroundings, people's, I found that Sushant Singh's murder and the Ryan murder are both interconnected via companies. Let's take a closer look. And also, this brings to a picture a much bigger scam, the 2G Spectrum scam, which no media has been able to connect and no agency. I'm not sure how 2G Spectrum people got a clean chit, but it might be that I might just investigate the entire 2G scam once again. So, we are here to talk about 2 murders, 3 cases, 1 nexus. Sushant Singh Rajput has been murdered. I'm not saying he's been killed. I'm not saying that he's committed suicide. He's been murdered. The Pradyuman murder case, no action or little no action. Almost zero actions on the investigation agencies in Sushant's case. Lot of noise. That's as far as it goes. The Charlie Peng Hawala case will come in my next video. It'll be too long. How the Chinese companies are interconnected with these 2 cases. It's very complex. It'll take too much of work, but the Charlie Peng case is ready. I will give that on a different date, and I will then show you the nexus. When we go to, there was no public outcry. Without a public outcry, we're not being able to do anything. Agencies are only working and only taking action when there's a public outcry. I want this complete outcry to continue for Sushant Singh. The Pradyuman murder case happened on the 8th of September 2017, handed over to the Intelligence Criminal Investigation of the Income Tax. Over here, as you can see on the 14th June to 20th, that Sushant was found murdered. Who is responsible and who is to be blamed, and when will be investigated and exposed? The 7 deadly sins of our country. The 7 deadly sins are first the underworld, Bollywood, shell companies, the police, law enforcement agencies who just don't care, politicians, political parties, murder, black money, and drugs. Let's take a closer look at how these 7 deadly sins are interconnected with these 2 cases. Over here we see Sushant's companies. We saw Varun Mathur, Vikram Talwar and Gaurav Gill linked to Mahesh Bhubati. We all know Mahesh Bhubati, his wife Lara Datta, the great tennis players. Live Sports 365, Zevin Sports, which is SX Sports, name changed, Jacqueline Fernandez, Bhupati Tennis are also linked to the ex-finance minister in money laundering. Over here we see Vikram Talwar, Salman Khan, Nikhil Sri Godwin Trivedi, co-founder Salman Khan Talent Search UBT, producer Salman Khan starred in Dabangg 3, right? We also see Varun Mathur and Gaurav Gill, CEO of Vertex Entertainment that represents Salman Khan and other celebrities, and ITW of Vikram Tanwar, Varun Mathur and Gaurav Gill manage Salman Khan's works. I'm not saying Salman Khan is doing anything wrong. I'm going to give you one of the Khans right now, linked to the 2G scam. So over here is a copy of the letter which I will publish later on, which was given to the Director General of Income Tax, the intelligence wing of the Bombay, where it clearly mentions Mahesh Bhupati, Lara Datta, Kapil Dev, Romi Dev, Karthi, ex-finance minister's son, the Aam Aadmi Party, and many other cases out here. Over here we see a company called Gemcom, where it has received equity for a premium of 51,990, that's totaling up to 10 crores. How can you sell equity at that cost? We see another company called Millennium Land Developers of the Ryan School. The names are right here. The premium is 190. This is clear routing of black money, bogus equity, share capital raised. The total amount is 9 crores and 78 lakhs. 28,000. We go to another company, Ryan.World, 1 crore 71 lakhs, interconnected. Now we go to Ryan Publishers. The total crore is 17 crores, 22 lakhs. Again, JP Solutions, which will be investigated later on. Now we come to Ryan Publishers, where we have Jagdish, Jamakal Mushkani, and Ryan Group of Companies. The total amount is, which is there, is 23 crores, 83 lakhs, 49,000, which is coming. These companies out here, Alka Diamonds, Anchana, Cape Town, Hema, Lexus, New Planet, Ostwal, Kush, and Yash and Vanguard have been also marked by the Financial Intelligence Unit, the SFIO, the CBDT, the Income Tax, and the Central Bureau of Investigation during the demonetization date that these are all bogus companies. Bogus share capital raised 23 crores. Why was there no action? Why are some of these companies still active? Go to the next company called SX Sports. SX Sports is a very interesting company. But this is the equity that is the equity which is coming in at 19,000, 18,000. 19,000 came from KB developers per share. That's 963 shares into 19,253. That's 1.85 crores. Nilish Bhatnagar and Rachna Bhatnagar came from Dubai. DA Holding is FZE. Again, Dubai, UAE. All this money came from overseas. Hemchand Jewelry and Globe Sports International. The total amount that came in, equity, bogus or not bogus is the second point, is 42 crores and 18 lakhs 71,000. That's now the total money that came into just the Ryan Group is 109 crores 15 lakhs 27,455. That's a lot of money. Why was it not investigated? Why is bogus equity coming in? Why entries being made? Now we'll move on to SX Sports, where Ryan Pinto had 2 DIN numbers. As we all know, his sister also had 2 DIN numbers. Both fraudsters, the mother and father fraudsters. Mahesh Bhupati and Kavita Bhupati, linked to them. Now, in this company called the SX Sports, how did this company get so much of equity? Loss making, total profits before the tax. Total profit before tax, this is it. 11 crores 63 lakhs 99,000. Reserves and surplus running in crores. Where's the money going? Where's the money coming from? Who's investing in a company that's making loss for the last 6 years? Now, the nexus of FDI. Thanks to the Reserve Bank of India and thanks to the RBI sources that I have, this is the money that came in. Ryan Pinto received this much of money, 242.17 in SX Sports. As I said, equity. This company, Ryan, is linked to ETA Star Tech, Star Holding Limited, received FDA. These 2 directors are there. Nitesh Estate received FDA. And all these companies received FDA. 54, 92, 50, 468, 72. These, the DIN numbers and the colored ones are the amount of FDI that came in millions. Layer over layer over layer, they all connected. Now these companies received FDI from these companies are connected to these companies. These also received FDI. 1652, 1682, 469, 946, 15, 5.9, 30, 165, 2394. That's 2,394 million and 1.95 that came into all these companies. And all of them are interconnected. Many of them are with Congress, which I don't want to get into right now, but all interconnected and all linked to the ATA Star Tech Group. The ATA Star Tech Group is the entire group of the 2G spectrum scam. We'll move forward. The next layer, going forward, since that big screen could not fit, again FDA, 92, 607, 523. I had to stop at this time because it just kept on coming in. Where did the money go from 2G scam? Went out, and here I'm seeing it coming in. Now it's a point for the DRI, the Department of Revenue Intelligence, and for the Financial Intelligence Agency to investigate this. This is beyond income tax. They're not doing it. Here's the breakup of the money that coming in from different countries. SX Sports received money from these holders, and this is the country: Mauritius, USA, UAE, Cyprus, UK, Luxembourg. We all know Luxembourg is safe haven for black money. Mauritius, black money. SL Matrix, Mauritius, UAE, and different countries. The layers I showed you, this is the breakup. Singapore, Mauritius again, Japan, Mauritius, UAE, Australia, Singapore, Thailand. Now, here comes the ETA group linked to the 2G scam. This entire group, ETA, is linked to the Ryan Group. You see, ETA Star Western, ETA Star Western Auto, ETA Star Western Auto Parts, ETA Melco Engineering, ETA General ETA Star Appliances, ETA Star India. Now, all the ETA group. This company is Tata BB Telecom. We're going to focus on this company. This company's name is very important and it's linked to this director. Again, you see all the ETA group. This company's name was Swan Telecom. Swan Telecom was the key company in the 2G spectrum scam. And over here we know A. Raja and all these people. The name has been changed from Swan Telecom Private Limited to Swan Capital Private Limited, and then so on and so forth. This is twin trouble for the firms. Amir Khan has received 22 crores from Swan Telecom. As the news has it, he received it for advertisements or not. What this transaction, while this transaction might not be wrong with Amir Khan, it might bring back to ETA Group and funds coming in from the UAE, and also that this company has an outstanding. This company, Swan Telecom, has an outstanding of 1820 crores. 320 crores from the Punjab National Bank scam, 320 crores from the PNB, and 1500 crores outstanding from Standard Chartered. So where's this money gone? Whose money is it? This belongs to public, siphoned off by them, and this is how the people are suffering. Here's the ETA Star Group in bed with the 2G scam. A clear picture. This is from the Economic Times. The timeline of events of scams, which will be re-looked at. This is the entire picture I've got from the news websites. I hope nobody has doubts or any doubts about the Ryan School murder and the Sushant Singh murder connections. There's so much more to come. Give me a few days. I will complete the Chinese investigation and I will bring more light to this. Thank you so much.